Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. Today we're at NVIDIA's GTC 2026. We've got some great innovation. We're going to be hearing from Jensen Huang, and we're going to be talking about the latest AI developments, the new Spark device, everything that's associated with it, and we're going to help you better understand what's going on with AI technology. You're going to want to stick around for this. We're going to talk about the energy associated with it and a whole lot more. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right now.
The NVIDIA GTC 2026 in San Jose, California is one of the most important conferences in the world for artificial intelligence, accelerated computing, and the future of technology. This event brings together developers, researchers, and some of the biggest companies shaping the future of AI. Today we're going to take a look at NVIDIA's newest technologies, explore the DGX Spark Hands-On Lab, and also talk about something people don't always think about when discussing AI: energy. Because as AI gets bigger and more powerful, the infrastructure powering it becomes just as important as the chips themselves. Let's head inside. NVIDIA GTC is essentially the global gathering place for AI innovation. Every year we see new announcements in everything from AI models and GPUs to data center infrastructure and developer tools. This year, NVIDIA is showcasing major advancements in accelerated computing, including new architectures, large-scale rack systems, and software platforms designed to power what NVIDIA calls AI factories. These are massive computing environments capable of training and running advanced AI systems. But one thing that became clear during the keynote presentations is that the AI revolution isn't just about compute power. It's also about power, literally. During the keynote, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang described AI using what he calls a 5-layer cake. At the top are the applications we use every day. Below that are AI models, then infrastructure, and the chips that power everything. But the very bottom layer, the foundation of the entire system, is energy. Because no matter how powerful a chip is, every data center and AI factory is limited by how much electricity it can access. In simple terms, the future of AI won't just be determined by who has the best processors, but also by who has the most efficient power behind them. And that's where companies working on energy infrastructure become incredibly important to the AI ecosystem. Now inside GTC, there's a really interesting developer space called the DGX Spark Hands-On Lab. This lab focuses on building AI agents and using NVIDIA's latest open source models and experimenting with a compact AI development system, sometimes described as a desktop AI supercomputer. The idea is to make AI development more accessible. Instead of needing a giant data center just to prototype an idea, developers can experiment locally, building AI tools, applications, and workflows on smaller systems. One really interesting example shown here involves AI-driven energy forecasting, where NVIDIA's Earth-2 model can help predict solar power generation based on weather data. That kind of technology can help stabilize renewable energy systems and improve how power is delivered, which brings us to one of the partners connected to this lab. The DGX Spark Lab is working in cooperation with GCL Energy Technology, often referred to as GCL ET. They're a listed subsidiary of the even larger GCL group, but GCL ET focuses on energy asset management and integrated energy services, and they're especially committed to becoming a leading energy ecosystem service provider. As AI infrastructure grows, companies like GCL ET are helping build the Power Plus compute ecosystem needed to support it. That includes everything from renewable energy assets to integrated power systems and even AI-driven energy management. Their work ranges from industrial zero-carbon energy parks to virtual power plants and residential energy systems designed to make energy production and distribution more efficient. And that is an important piece of the puzzle, because if AI is going to continue scaling globally, we're going to need massive amounts of reliable, sustainable power behind it. And we've used GCL ET as an example because they've engaged with GTC conferences and collaborated with companies like NVIDIA, actually becoming one of the first Chinese energy companies to enter the AIDC field, which is another important piece of this puzzle. AIDC uses everything from Bluetooth to barcodes to take physical assets and organize them digitally. And you can imagine how important this is to things like organizing an energy grid. True facts. GCL ET has very rich experience in the energy sector. Right now, the company is thinking about transitioning from an energy provider to an AI factory operator. They're going to work very closely with NVIDIA, ready to run the operation of the AI factories themselves and to power the AIDCs and AI factories that NVIDIA is about to build. So, after spending some time here at NVIDIA GTC, one thing becomes really clear. The next phase of the AI revolution isn't just about faster chips or smarter models. It's about building the entire ecosystem that makes those technologies possible. Compute power, infrastructure, and the energy systems that keep everything running. Companies like NVIDIA are pushing the boundaries of AI computing, while companies like GCL ET are working on the power infrastructure that helps scale it. Together, those two worlds are shaping the future of AI. Thanks for watching. On behalf of Adam from 911 Reviews, signing out from NVIDIA GTC 2026 in San Jose. We'll see you in the next video.